What is up, everybody? It's your man Josh. We are back with another video. We're working on our project Corvette, our C4, aka Ronnie, aka Pop's Corvette. It's my my dad's C4 Corvette. So today we got steering wheel from the good boys over at NRG. Shout out! We got a new partnership with the boys over at NRG. So we got a steering wheel. We don't have an NRG seat for this car, just because there's not enough aftermarket support for it right now. But I plan on in the future, I want to see if we can get them to make us a seat. So we're gonna do an install today. We're for sure gonna do the steering wheel. I'm gonna try to get this seat because this seat is the original seat from 1984, and my dad's been sitting in this seat for 256,000 miles. This car is older than I am. He bought this car originally. He's the original owner. I'm the second owner of this car. And yeah, so all right, so oh Jesus Christ. First things first, we're gonna take the horn button off. You know, that's the first thing you do. Good old American GM product. Well, we're gonna snatch that off. 85 years of dust. I kind of cheated. I already took it off once, but y'all don't need to know that. So anyway, we're gonna set that up there. I don't know what my dad had up here, but whatever. Another thing I need to get a new top. This is hard plastic lexan, I guess, and I wonder if they make a shade for it that I don't know about. But I want to get a new one because when it rains, I plan on dailying this thing as long as I can until it's time to LS swap it, and we'll go from there. Anyway, tangent. Sorry. So we're gonna take the adjuster off, and I got the steering wheel locked, so I gotta remember it's not 100% straight. It's cocked off to the left just a hair. So let's take the adjuster off. Drop that little nugget in there. Another little nugget. All right. You can lay down on the windshield, Ma. There you go. Okay. All right, got that little dilly whacker doodad thing off. So we already got the horn plug undone, and trying to figure out how to get this off. I wonder if this screwdriver will get that off. Oh, yes it does. GM is pretty smart, or either I'm pretty smart, one of the two. So there's the adjuster. Boom. Got that screw off. Pop this dilly whacker out. Boom, look, we got our part storage right here. All right. Now, what do I need? I don't have the right tool to do this. I know what it is. It's the pin separator for, what's the name of that stuff? For like retaining clips. I don't have that tool. Oh, actually I do. In the toolbox over there. My dad has one. I'll be right back. See, this is what happens, Ma, when you got the right tool. You know, so they make this tool for retaining clips. Oh, like this. And it's shaped like something. And it just, you know, literally took me 2 seconds to just pull it right off. When, if I didn't have this tool, I'd have to get a flathead and kind of pry it off and all that. It literally took me 2 seconds. I just
okay. So
almost did it with one hand. Now I need to go get a socket, which I think that's 19 maybe, and loosen that up. But I just realized that, oh wait, now it's stuck down there. Oh no, there we go. But I'm gonna have to put this back on so my steering wheel doesn't keep moving, and so we can't drive like that. No, so I'm gonna take the steering wheel off and then swap it back out. Damn, we may not be able to do this project the way I want to do it. We'll see. All right, after struggling to find the right socket, we got a 21. We got the big guns out. Going the wrong way. But yeah, we're gonna get this bad boy off. Well, quick check-in. This part 2. We continue the steering wheel video. I gotta get a steering wheel puller, which my buddy Jason has one, but I accidentally got the seat out because I was trying to get access the bolts to the frame, but the wonderful engineers over at GM knew that people would take these seats out at some point. And there's these 4 bolts on the top of the frame, and the whole seat comes out. All you have to do is flip it up, and 1, 2, 3, 4. At least one thing on this car is easy to do. So we're gonna take the frame out, obviously clean all this junk up, and keep it pushing. We got the seat out, got the bracket out. Pan over to the bracket. There you go. Yeah, and the seat's on the ground. We got a new seat from Corbeau. Anyway, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
So anyway, we got a new seat from Corbeau. We did just pick up a sponsorship from NRG, but NRG doesn't make a seat bracket right now for the C4 Corvette. They do the C5, C6, C7, C8, but not the C4. So we got to go with some old school technology with Corbeau. But we got an NRG steering wheel short hub that's going to be going on later. This is part 2 of the same video. So now we're going to unbox and make sure we do a test fit. Make sure this all fits up. So this is the seat rail that goes to the C5 Vette. So the brackets here, these mounting points are going to go to the floor, and then these points are going to go to the actual seat. And there's some adjustment spots for it, so I can, make the adjustment. I'll probably sit at the furthest back because I'm tall, but it is sliding because this is what my mom wanted, so she could drive the car too. So anyone can drive this car. It won't be like the Z and won't be like the Skyline, where you can't fit. Back up, so close. Let's see here. Well, what do you know? All 4 points sort of fit. So that's the only thing about these seat brackets is they all kind of sort of fit. So what I'm gonna have to do is, it looks like I'm gonna have to take these Allen nuts and move those off real quick, just so I can bolt the seat down so it is 100% safe, and go from there. So it's gonna flex a little bit, but it is what it is. I think this was more designed for if you take the seat, the carpet out, and then it sits flat. But who cares? We'll make it happen. We'll make it happen, Captain. So let's just slide this back up. All right, we got the seat bracket in. Somehow I magically lost a screw. Don't know how, don't know where, but it was bolted in with three nuts, but it ain't going nowhere. 3 out of 4 is good. I think on the Skyline, it only has 3 in there too, because it didn't fit right. But I think that car right there isn't bolted down. Oh no, what it is the seat belt is actually mounted to the seat and not to the frame of the car on that one. And my harness, my 4-point harness, actually only has 3 points mounted. Yeah, that one's not too safe. But anyway, so we're gonna finish Mickey Mousing it up before the sun goes down. And I'm in my work clothes, but we're making it happen. All right, this is our new seat from Corbeau. It's gonna go in there. I want to say the big difference with Corbeau seats versus NRG seats. Honestly, this is my first Corbeau seat. I got the suede and the leather. It was a $900 seat. But anyway, I would say the mounting, because the NRG ones still have the side spots, where you can mount the actual bracket to. where the Corvette has these bottom mounts, and you can mount it to that bracket there. So that's the biggest difference, is with the NRG ones and some other brands, you only have the side mounts. I have a Sparko seat that came off the 32 that only has the side mounts. There's no holes at the bottom. So yeah, that's the biggest difference. We're gonna put the bottom mount brackets on there, and we're gonna ship this bad boy. Well, we run into a problem. I need to make a fabricating company that is big boy friendly seat brackets for all these seats. This is annoying.
You're 6'2".
I'm not even that tall. I mean, I'm not like, giant. So this is the problem. I need to be sitting like this to drive it at minimum. My knee touches, but I can still, mash the gas, drive.
What about the brake?
This is where it actually sits. My head hits the roof. Like literally, I have zero room. Way too close to the steering wheel. My knees are in the dash. And this is as far back as the seat goes. And nobody makes anything big boy friendly. I close the door. Can't see shit out my mirror. I gotta do like that. It's just so annoying. If I was short, okay, cool, this works. But I mean, literally, who is this tall? Like, even if I was like 5'5", like.
Well, your daddy was 6 feet.
Yeah, I know, but he didn't have aftermarket seat. I need my seat to be all the way back here. Someone out there, if you guys make a bracket for tall guys, hit me up. Because I got all this stuff, but it's supposed to be compatible, but it's not compatible with my height. Compatible to the car, not my height. So annoying. Okay. Well, we're gonna end this video. I've been it's been 2 weeks, well, a week and a half doing this project with the interior update, and we're failing miserably right now. So I gotta get a steering wheel puller. Actually, I think I have one. I gotta put it together for my dad's toolkit. The seat fit in the car. I don't fit in the seat in the car. So what I mean by that is I fit in the seat fits in the car, but when I put the seat in the car, I'm too tall, and the mounting points where it was designed from the factory from Corvette wasn't designed with me in mind. It was designed with someone my mom's height in mind, who's 5'6", so not 6'2". So yeah, I'm gonna have to drill holes and fabricate, just like I did for this car, just like I did for the Skyline. I figured if I bought the kit specifically for that car, it would work. But no one makes a kit for someone that's 6'2", 250 pounds. So I'm gonna get to the fabricating. So, anyway, I'm gonna put this all together, and it's gonna be part 1 of this build, and getting down to crunch time. We're supposed to be doing a car show this Saturday, and I don't know if we're gonna make it. We may have to just take this. Really wanted to take it. I got my wheels in. You guys see a sneak peek. Those are pretty cool. But what's good as wheels if you ain't got a clean interior? You ain't got a seat and steering wheel with a quick release. Your car don't run. I mean, it runs, but it don't really run because I still put it together. So anyway, peace out, y'all. I'm gonna go home. I'm beat. I worked all day. I've been up since 5 o'clock. It is now 8 p.m. and I'll see y'all later, man. Like, subscribe, share. I appreciate you guys.